All right, what is up everyone? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view your estimated dividends on E-Trade from Morgan Stanley. This video helps you guys out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but do not subscribe to me. So I'm on an account with no money on it here, but it will still apply. So what we need to do here is we want to go over to portfolio from the homepage. We're going to click on portfolio here. And here we'll see our whole entire portfolio. And then what we want to do is we want to go over to estimated income. And from estimated income, we can choose the time frame, next week, next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, everything like that. And here it will be the estimated dividends that we will be receiving in those time frames. There will be bar charts here that will show you when your estimated income is expected to come in regards to your dividends and when and what amount of dollars they expect you to receive. So yeah, that is how to check your estimated dividend income on E-Trade. Once you open this up and you have a filled portfolio, you will see exactly what I mean, and have a great day.